Hi, this is Rakesh Kabra, your accounting instructor with a new video. So, in my previous video, you have seen that both cash book and bank statement were showing same balance of $7,800. Now, in this video, we will see how both the books show different balances on a particular date. So, let's start. So in my previous video, I have recorded these starting three transactions. So now we will see the fourth transaction, and that was conducted on Jan 29th. Paid salary by check $500. So the business has issued the check, so bank balance will decrease in asset credit. So in the cash book, in the bank column on the credit side, first I will record the date Jan 29th and I will write salary. And how much did I pay? $500. But what I did, instead of writing 500, I wrote by mistake $50 only. So this is the error I have done while recording this fourth transaction in the cash book. Now see how bank will record this transaction. So Jan, on the same date, Jan 29th, the person to whom I gave this check, he went to the bank and he presented that check to get the payment. So bank will record check number, and the check number will be 125 this time. And how much amount? $500. Bank recorded this transaction correctly. And now the balance will be 7,800 minus this 500. So the balance will be $7,300 credit balance. Now see the next transaction on Jan 31st. Direct deposit by customer $1,200. So what customer has done without informing me, the customer has directly put the money in my bank account. He didn't inform me regarding this. So as I don't have any information, so I will not record this transaction in my cash book. But as he put the money in my bank account, so see the recording what bank will do for this transaction. So bank will write cash as a bank got the cash from the customer, and the bank will put this 1200 in the deposit column, credit column, and there is no withdrawal, and the balance will be this time 7300 plus this 1200. So the balance will increase now. Now the balance is $8,500 and credit balance. Now let's see the next transaction on Jan 31st. Paid to credit supplier. Paid to credit supplier $600. Paid by check, or we can say issued a check. Issued a check to a credit supplier $600. So as I issued the check, so of course bank balance will decrease. So I will write this transaction on the credit side. So I will put $600 and date Jan 31st, and here I will write trade payable. Trade payables. So this is the recording in the cash book. Now the situation is what? I issued the check to the credit supplier on Jan 31st. But the supplier didn't present the check for the payment. He thought that he will present the check after few days. He is quite busy in his work, so that's why on Jan 31st he got the check from me, but on Jan 31st he didn't go to the bank and present the check for the payment because a check is valid for 3 months. So he thought he will go after few days. So as he didn't present the check to the bank to get the payment, so there will be no recording for this transaction in the bank statement. So that is the main reason. So this transaction is already recorded in the cash book. The day when I issued the check, on the same date, I entered this transaction in the cash book, and the balance in the cash book is changed. Now today is the last day of the month. Let's see the balance. Jan 31st, let's see the balance in the cash book. So total of debit side is 10,000 and let's see the total of credit side. So we will subtract all these figures. So the balance in the cash book on Jan 31st is $7,150, and the balance in the bank statement on Jan 31st is $8,500 credit balance. So both the books are showing different balances. Earlier, both the books were showing same balances, but now both the books are showing different balances. There is a difference of $1,350. So we can understand that why there is a difference, why both the balances are not same. So here we can find out three reasons. The first is what? That the error made by me while recording this salary payment in the cash book. Instead of writing $500, I wrote $50. This is the first reason. Error in the cash book. Error in the cash book. Now the second reason is what? The transaction, this direct deposit by a customer, is entered in the bank statement but not entered in the cash book. And the third reason is what? Issued a check to the credit supplier. This is entered in the cash book but not entered in the bank statement. So due to these three reasons, both the records are showing different balances. Now in this video only this much. In the next video we will see what we are supposed to do when both the records are not showing same balance on a particular date. So till then, stay at home and stay safe. See you soon.